Hello friends, artist resin Sudha here. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing fine. So today I am going to attempt making 3D blooms once again with mica powder. So I have selected Okinawa Sunset from Eye Candy Pigments. This is a color shift pigment, and I will pair it with black opaque color. My idea is to create a flower blooming in the darkness. So let's begin with the mixing of colors, entire process, and let's enjoy some music. After pouring the resin in coaster mold, some resin was still remaining. So I mixed eye candy pigment sushi roll. It's a color shifting pigment. We'll use this mix in the empty slot of this paw mold. Can you see the color shifting effects of this pigment? I can see a bit of green also. Now I will allow the resin to warm up a little more, and then we will begin. Let's start making our lines to form petals. So I will pour the remaining black on these paw beans that was made from another leftover project. Now I will pour sushi roll all alone in this mold, as I want to check the colors, how they look on the matte side and how they look on the shiny side. Let's demold and see if any petals have formed. Wow, it looks wonderful, but petals didn't form exactly the way I wanted. I can call it a 60% success. We'll again try creating 3D blooms with mica powders in near future. As of now, it actually looks like a flower blooming in the darkness. Let's demold our cute paws and see how they came out. Wow, this came out very nice. The black highlights the color very well. It looks wonderful in matte also. And now our sushi roll. So this is the matte side and this is the shiny side. So if you like today's creation, don't forget to hit that like button. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you and have a great day everyone.